These How to 1 Minute will show you how to upload SVG files in WordPress with or without plugin. First of all, let's see how you can upload SVG files in your WordPress with a plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard and come to this plugin section and click on Add New Plugin. Click on the Search Plugins box and type here SVG. And I recommend to use this plugin. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, go to your media section and click on Add New Media File and click on Select Files. And now all you have to need, select the SVG file that you want to upload to your WordPress. And here you can see the file type is SVG plus XML, and the SVG file has been successfully uploaded to my WordPress. If you don't want to use any plugin, then now let's see how you can do it without any plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on Appearance and click on Theme File Editor. Once you are here, click on this drop down and now select the theme, which one you are using right now, and here select theme function.php file or functions.php file. Once the functions.php file opened, here scroll down all the way to the bottom and you have to add these codes here, and you will get this code in this video description below. So copy and paste these codes here and click on Update File. Once done, I'm going to my media section again. But before that, I'm going to deactivate the SVG support plugin. Okay, now here I'm going to adding or uploading a new SVG file. Now let's see it's upload or not. And as you can see, the SVG file has been successfully uploaded without any plugin. So this is how we can upload SVG files in WordPress with or without plugin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.